friend, welcome back to Total Maintenance YouTube channel. In this video I will be crying baby because I want to show you how I get distracted at my work, right? So I'm doing very detailed and thorough inspection on this 2012 Toyota Sienna, right? Writing whole report and taking samples of tranny fluid, right? You will probably agree that this is not good, and I definitely have to put it in the comments. And then this is what happens. It's really hard to resist, and it's because my neighbor, he owns all these hot rods, and also people owning those come, they show up in the other ones, and there you cannot work anymore. Look at this baby. Look at this unbelievable piece. And of course, when it arrived, it wasn't quiet like some Prius, right? It made all kinds of noises, and all of us were running and go and look what's going on. Aha! See, I told you, it's hard to keep working when somebody like this arrives. This is absolutely unreal. Isn't that something? Oh my god. So what do you say? You have such a hardcore hot rods, but what do you say?
Well, it wouldn't be for me, but you know, it's really pretty neat.
Yep. So now you know how hard life I have here, right? I can't even finish one inspection. So that was just something interesting for you, of course. I love to see that, and I assume that you love to see such a toy also. Thanks for watching, and have a great day, my friend.